The 2025 Harley-Davidson X400 marks a bold new direction for one of the most iconic motorcycle brands in the world. Known for their heavyweight cruisers and a deep-rooted American identity, Harley-Davidson is stepping into a new segment with the X400, smaller, more agile, and built for global riders. But make no mistake, while the X400 may be lighter in weight, it's heavy with ambition. This bike is designed to appeal to a younger generation, urban commuters, and international markets that value performance, efficiency, and style in a compact package. Global strategy meets local production. The X400 isn't just a smaller Harley, it's a result of a strategic partnership between Harley-Davidson and Chinese manufacturer QJ Motor, a subsidiary of Zhejiang Qianjiang, one of the largest motorcycle producers in Asia. This collaboration allows Harley to enter emerging markets with a bike that's tailored for urban environments, both in size and affordability, while still maintaining the premium feel expected of the brand. What makes the X400 particularly significant is that it's manufactured in China, marking a major shift in Harley's traditionally American-made identity. This move is meant to lower production costs and make the bike more accessible to younger riders in Asia, Europe, and even urban centers in North America. It's part of Harley's broader strategy to reinvent itself without abandoning its legacy. Design: Harley DNA in a leaner frame. The design of the 2025 X400 is a modern reinterpretation of Harley's styling cues. The bike features a muscular stance, with a sharply contoured fuel tank, blacked-out mechanicals, and a minimalist headlamp that hints at the brand's classic cruiser heritage. It's a naked street fighter at heart, but you can still see the Harley silhouette in the tank design and proportions. Compact but not compromised, the X400 looks aggressive and athletic. The exposed trellis frame, mid-mounted foot pegs, and upright handlebars offer a perfect blend of style and practicality. Whether you're carving through city traffic or enjoying a weekend ride on twisty roads, the X400 looks ready to handle it all with confidence and flair. Engine and performance, punchy and practical. At the heart of the X400 is a 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, developed in conjunction with QJ Motor. This powerplant delivers around 40 horsepower and 26 lb-ft of torque, enough to offer a spirited performance while remaining manageable for newer riders. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, providing smoother downshifts and reducing rear-wheel hop during aggressive braking. While traditional Harley fans might scoff at anything under 750 cubic centimeters, the X400 makes a strong case for itself. It's not about raw power, it's about usable power, especially for city commuting and weekend fun. With a top speed of around 100 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time of under 6 seconds, it offers plenty of excitement without overwhelming the rider. Ride and handling, nimble yet stable. One of the standout features of the X400 is its ride quality. Thanks to its lightweight chassis, low seat height, and upright ergonomics, the bike is incredibly rider-friendly. The suspension setup includes upside-down front forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, delivering a balanced and responsive ride over a variety of road surfaces. Braking is handled by disc brakes at both ends, with dual-channel ABS as standard, offering confidence in both wet and dry conditions. The 17-inch alloy wheels and grippy tires ensure the X400 handles corners with agility, making it an ideal bike for urban environments and twisty backroads alike. Features and technology, modern essentials. The 2025 X400 is equipped with all the essentials modern riders expect. It features a digital LCD instrument cluster that displays speed, gear position, fuel level, trip meters, and more. While it doesn't offer high-end tech like TFT displays or Bluetooth connectivity, the focus here is on functionality and reliability. LED lighting all around. Headlamp, tail light, and indicators, not only enhances visibility but also adds to the bike's modern aesthetic. There's also a USB charging port, which is a practical addition for riders who rely on smartphones for navigation and music on the go. Target audience: the next generation of riders. With the X400, Harley-Davidson is targeting a new demographic: young, urban riders who are looking for a reliable, stylish, and fun-to-ride motorcycle that doesn't break the bank. Priced competitively, especially in markets like India, China, and parts of Europe, the X400 lowers the barrier to entry for potential riders who may have once viewed Harley-Davidson as out of reach. This bike is also ideal for riders transitioning from smaller displacements or scooters, offering them a step up in performance without being intimidating. For Harley, it's a chance to build brand loyalty early and establish a connection with riders who could one day upgrade to larger models like the Nightster or Sportster S. Price and market positioning. While the final pricing can vary depending on the region, the